Yes, it's happened once again. NIO is in the news once again. Seems like this electric vehicle company is in the news a lot lately for both good reasons and bad. On one hand, you have investors happy, making them a lot of money. And on the other hand, you have news that just keeps holding this company back. And NIO just announced that they just broke another company record. And at the same time, there's another company holding NIO back, having investors selling their shares, dropping NIO 10% in one trading day, raising the question, should I buy more shares of NIO or should I sell my shares of NIO? So in this video, we're going to be talking about the good positive news that keeps propelling this company forward. And at the same time, we're going to talk about the bad news that has investors selling their shares in a frenzy. So stick around, guys. I got a lot of great information for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Chris. I'm a dividend and value investor that just loves stocks. I talk about stocks and how to make money in the stock market. If this is something you like and do enjoy and want to be part of our growing community, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button. Don't forget to turn that sucker blue. And if you are interested into investing and want to start investing, I'm going to put my Robinhood link down below. If you make an account using my link, you get a free stock, I'll get a free stock, and we'll both be benefiting. So let's get started with the video. So today started really strong for NIO, being up 3% pre-market. And the reason NIO was up so much was because pre-market, NIO announced how many vehicles they delivered in the month of November. And the previous high was 5,055 vehicles delivered in the month of October. But today they announced that they delivered 5,229 vehicles for the month of November, breaking a new NIO company record. And from the beginning of the year, NIO has delivered 37,000 vehicles, up 111% year to date, which is great news for this company because in the last earnings call, they reported they want to deliver at least 16,500 vehicles through 17,000 vehicles in the fourth quarter alone. And if they keep on with this pace, that number could easily be reached. NIO also said that they are in the process to basically produce more vehicles month to month. And they are also in the process of expansion, basically making another branch in the Europe side. So if you're a NIO bull, these are the numbers you like to hear. These are the numbers you like to see when you see an up and coming company like NIO basically keep on growing month to month, year to year. Being up 111% year over year is extraordinary for a company, especially if you're a NIO bull. Also in the news, Goldman Sachs analyst Fei Fang has upgraded NIO from a sell to a hold. And I know for many investors that doesn't really seem like much, but just being noticed and being upgraded from an analyst by Goldman Sachs just shows you the potential and extraordinary things that this company has been doing. Fang even raised the stock price for NIO. His previous price was $7.70 and since then been raised to $59 a share, which is up 666% from his previous price. So what changed his mind? Back in July, he stated that share price at the time reflected over optimism, given no substantial changes to volume profit expectations. But now he understands that NIO has so many benefits working for them. Number one is their breakthrough technology. Number two is their introduction to NIO's battery service, which has basically helped them expand their market. And number three, the regulatory incentives that's basically helped many people turn heads from their gas to electric vehicles, especially being more profitable and having more demand for companies like NIO. And this is what a lot of investors have seen for a while now, but it's also nice to have verification of a top analyst basically having confidence in a company like NIO. So let's talk about why is NIO stock down 10% in one trading day? Well, there's a chance NIO could get delisted from the United States Stock Exchange. Let me explain. The United States Senate passed a bill back in May that will basically force the Chinese companies to obey the same rules and regulations as American companies. And one of the things is to basically delist any company that is controlled by the government. And if they don't want to obey the same rules and regulations as the American companies, they can simply leave and be delisted for United States Stock Exchange. Last year, China started to look for different alternatives, even going as far as looking in the London Stock Exchange. And this could be an alternative just in case nothing goes smoothly with the United States stock market. And if this happens, top Chinese companies like Alibaba, JD, and NIO will be delisted and taken out of the United States Stock Exchange. And this has investors worried because they have a lot of money invested into one of these three Chinese companies. There are over 100 Chinese companies in the stock market, and maybe most of them could be taken out because of this new bill that was passed. And that has investors worried because, again, they have a lot of money thousands of dollars, $100,000 of dollars, even millions of dollars invested into these top tier companies. And to make matters worse, Chinese EV company Kandi Technologies has been accused of fraud. Many people are saying that this company has been fabricating their own sales numbers. And again, that's basically misguiding their investors, so it's fraud. So when it comes to NIO stock, this one particular company has so much potential and still has a lot of room for growth. You see their numbers that they keep on increasing month to month, year over year. So in my opinion, am I worried if NIO gets delisted from the stock exchange, and will it happen? In my opinion, I'm not too worried whatsoever. The Wall Street Journalist has trillions of dollars invested into Chinese companies. There are over 100 Chinese companies in the stock exchange. So in my opinion, I won't think Wall Street will allow these companies just to walk away. These companies have made these people a lot of money. And for them just to be delisted, in a matter of seconds, I don't think it'll be that easy for that. Supposedly there's a time frame for all this to happen, and I heard there was a rumor of 3 years time frame. So maybe for now, between now and within 3 years, something could happen. And let's just say these companies do get delisted. I know there are some stock brokerages that allow you to trade stocks in the United States and outside the United States, hence the London Stock Exchange. If China does go to the London Stock Exchange or any other stock market, there's some brokerages that allow you to trade, from different types of stocks, from different types of countries, different types of areas. So that's another option many investors have as well. And again, keep in mind, if your money is in the United States Stock Exchange and it does get delisted, it will go to zero. So be aware if it does happen. Remember to pull your money out in time and put your money in the London Stock Exchange, just to make sure you don't lose any money and you profit the profit that you're supposed to profit, if that makes any sense. So overall, guys, in my opinion, I don't think NIO or any of these Chinese companies will exit the stock market anytime soon. I do think these companies will stay here and make more investors a lot of money. And by the end of the year, I do believe NIO will be around $60 a share. That's my price prediction for NIO. And if you want more videos for other companies and my other price predictions, please comment down below. I would like to do those videos. But for now, $60 a share for NIO is my price prediction by the end of the year. The end of the year is like what, less than 4 weeks? So in less than 4 weeks, I do believe NIO will reach $60. It dropped 10% in one trading day. I do believe it could jump up, $11 within a month. I think it's possible, especially for a company like NIO. Alright guys, thank you all for watching the video. I hope you guys got a ton of information and a lot of value. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, smash the like button. Alright guys, please take care of one another. Please be safe out there. Love all, be kind, share it. It's almost time for Christmas, so give a present to one of your family members, say thanks, give hugs, kisses, all in all. Alright guys, till next time, have a great day.